Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to model and make a low poly boat in Blender. First of all, delete this cube. Go back to object mode. Delete. Then Shift A. Add a mesh circle. Then change the vertices to 16. And scale this. Then 1. The Z should be 1. The Y should be 3.16. Or maybe 2.16. Easier. And go to edit mode. Press shift this. Then scale this to give out the shape of the boat. Then press G to move, or either use the arrows to move to make it tidier and easier. Alright, we've got the shape of the boat. Then I'm gonna put it there. Then, or scale this either, maybe. Or maybe I'll just put this there. There we go, we've got the boat. Then press F to cap this. Then all I have to do now is extrude this. There we go, I'm gonna extrude this boat. Then you scale this, or either press 3 button, then scale it. Then either you use G or use the arrows to move it. I use the arrows to make it tidier. Then I'm gonna press 1 on the key. Then I'm gonna put it there. Then move this, or by pressing G or using the arrow keys, or using the arrows. There we go, we've got this. Then another step is press 3, then scale this again to give out another shape, or either I'll just use this. Then press the arrow buttons, then do it again, do it one more time. Let's do this one more time. Then press this arrow, then it would look like a boat. Then press 3 on the arrow key, then inset, then extrude it. The most important thing is you need to scale this to avoid the some lines and some instability. This would look like the board, or the sitting position, the sitting place for the boat. Meaning to say, this is the area where people row the boat and where people sit on the boat. So Shift A to add the chair of the boat. Add the cube. Then press use S to scale it. The size should be 1 meter or 0.7. Then scale this. Then scale this again. Then eliminate this section by pressing 3 on the keyboard again, or maybe by pressing 3 on the keyboard, then G. Oh, this probably works. This way probably might work properly, but I need to eliminate these lines on the boat. Okay, I'm gonna group all of these, then scale this a little more, then put it like there. There we go. Then Control G again. I need to scale like this, then put it down. There we go, we've got the color of the boat, but however, I want to paint my boat. Then I want to change the base color to brown. The most common color of the chair is wooden brown, but I want to make it to metallic color. Then I want to assign this. Then go to the solid section, then Shift D to move this straight. Then Shift D again. There we go. I need to find the lines, whether it's stick together or in a proper size and position and location. Need to put there. Then scale this a little more. Then we've got the boat. But yeah, I need to stick the lines into the section, to this section of the boat. Maybe I'm just gonna use this. Then or either I just do like this to make it faster, then put some arrows on it. Then I'm gonna put this again and put it right. I should see whether it stick or not. Wait, it's not in the right line and the right position. There we go, we've got the boat. We've already got the size, the shape, and the components of the boat. And this already looks like a real basic boat, a basic low poly boat. Then I wanna press G again, then change this color, because I'm not satisfied with this color, because it's just gray, nothing, no other exception. Then I'm gonna add this color and change the base color to red. Then assign this. I need to group this, then change the color. Maybe I'll change the color to, what should I choose? Maybe purple or yellow. I'll rather choose yellow. And for the base, I need to make it into white color. Click assign for the white color. Then I wanna shift this, then go to the other side, then shift this. There we go. Then next I need to assign this into the red color. Then maybe I'll use gray instead. Yeah, I'll just use gray instead. But this is not the same color as the rest of this section of the boat. I need to reassign this to yellow. Cool, this is in the good size, shape, and position. But however, I still can find some lines on the other outer side of the boat. And there we go, we've got the boat. And that's it for the video. Hope you like this boat and my video, and hope this video helps you. Hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and share to your friends. And thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Stay tuned for more exciting and more entertaining videos. And bye bye.